CCTV video footage can be used in an investigation as long as it's relevant to the facts in issue that are being investigated, then it can be used. However, what is important to note is that that's dependent on the owner of the information. Since it's private and our law guarantees the right to privacy, the owner of the footage may refuse to produce it because our Constitution under Article 27 and under the Data Protection and Privacy Act exclusively protect the right to privacy and personal information. These laws regulate the use and processing of personal information. So an owner of private CCTV footage pursuant to those laws can decline to release the same, however much it's relevant to the investigations. When you look at our legal regime, the mother law, it allows for exceptions. So the given circumstances whereby your right to privacy could be bypassed. For example, if the CCTV footage is required for public interest, whereby a public body needs it to execute a public function, or whereby it's needed for national security, or in circumstances whereby it's very important for detection, investigation, prosecution of any criminal offense or breach of the law. Then in those circumstances, you would be private information, you will have an obligation rather to hand it over. If you refuse to hand over your private CCTV footage, then an interested party could petition court, and in case they get a court order, then you'll be under an obligation. And in case you out of adamance still refuse to hand it over, then you could be found in contempt of court. And this also has a number of undesirable consequences. So in most cases whereby if your CCTV footage is necessary for public interest or any of the considerations I talked about, then to avoid any challenges with the law, it's better you hand it over.